So you can see this is a multi-band stereo imager, and we've got some stereo eyes being applied to this band here between 3 and 10K. And you'll see that this band here, the really highs, is being made mono. And the reason I'm doing that is because we want those transients to be super sharp. A lot of people spread out their very high signal, and it creates like issues with the transient. Things aren't as snappy. We're also adding just a little bit to this kind of mid-range section, and then our subs and low mids, we've again got mono, but we're not applying this to the full track. This is just being applied to the drums. So all those subtle moves add up to quite a nice improvement.